fireplace has got a mantelpiece. The mantelpiece is dusty. Duster. It's a duster. Let's wipe the mantelpiece with a duster. Wipe, 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 wipe. What do we have on the mantelpiece? A doll, one more doll, a duck, a dog, a doll, a fairy sitting on a lily pad, a clog, one big doll, tulips in a vase, a tea set on a napkin, a teapot, a girl tobogganing, and a teacup on a saucer.
Could you please show us the fairy?
Here is the fairy sitting on the lily pad.
Where? Where is the fairy? A fairy sitting on a lily pad. Could you please show us the clog? Clog, clog. Oh, it looks like a boot.
Yes. Wipe, wipe. Well, let's wipe the clog.
Nicolette is wiping the clog. Good.
Let's wipe the teapot. And let's wipe the teacup.
Are you going to wipe the big doll?
No, I'm not going to wipe a big doll.
Okay, good. And there are some more figurines over there. Please tell us, what do you see
there?
there?
More figurines over here. There is a mermaid sitting on a stone.
Wait, show us the mermaid. A mermaid. Does she have feet?
Yes, she does. She's got like feet and a tail. I don't know what's even with a tail, or does she have feet?
A tail, a fish's tail. A human body. A human's body and a fish's tail. Okay, show us. What else do we have here?
Now, and we have elephants. Let's count the elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 elephants. And look, we've got a bear. A bear.
A bear?
He's on skis. He's skiing. Skiing, skiing.
Yes, good. And please show us the biggest elephant.
The biggest elephant is this one, the first elephant. And there is a small elephant. Here it is. It's a small elephant.
The smallest.
The
smallest.
smallest elephant.
Okay, let's do the following thing. Big, smaller, smaller. Show us.
A big, smaller, 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 and a very small elephant. A small elephant.
How do we call that elephant? We call it the smallest.
Yes, we call it the smallest elephant.
The smallest.
And we've got a black elephant. We've got a queen in a red dress and a princess in a red dress. At least I think that she's a princess.
She's beautiful.
And we've got one more girl in a dress. I don't know, I don't think that she's a princess.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got a big doll here too. She's got a pretty dress and she's wearing clogs.
Clogs! Again, clogs.
Yes, and we've got one more teapot. One more girl in a red dress.
What is she doing?
She's dancing. She's got a fan and she's dancing. She's a dancer.
How do you fan with a fan?
Like this. You fan with a fan.
Fan.
And we've got 2 bells. But they're jingling quiet. They're not loud, it's a quiet bell. Let's wipe the bell. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Let's wipe the teapot. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Let's wipe the biggest elephant. And let's wipe the smallest elephant. And let's wipe the mermaid sitting on a stone.
Sitting on a rock, I would say.
Yes, on a rock.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.